Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Blogger tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to search blogger.com and you will end up over here. Click on create your blog. Here you just need to select your Google account. After you sign in, you will end up over here. Here at the top left corner, you will find create blog option. Just click on this and you will see something like this. Here we are going to choose a name for our own blog, right? So I'm going to enter that over here, and here I'm going to write about augmented reality and virtual reality revolution. Just click on this next. After that, you need to enter the address you want to write about. Obviously, we are going to talk about augmented reality, right? So I'm going to write over here. So as you can see, I just wrote augmented and virtual reality 1.blogspot.com. So this is going to be our URL. After that, just click on save. Once you click on save, you will end up over here. Here you can see at the top left corner we have an option for create new post. We can easily start creating new posts from over here. And if you want to view your blog, at the bottom you will see that option over here. Click on this option. It will redirect you to that page, and at the top you can see we have that URL also. And here obviously we don't have anything, but we got the title over here. So now we are going to enter the blog which we were looking for. But before that, what you need to do, go back and click on themes. We are going to select theme from multiple themes they have given to us over here, as you can see. So our topic is all about augmented reality and virtual reality, so I might go for the theme which would fit with my blog. So let me find that over here, and I think this looks good as well. These colors are popping out in my opinion, so I'm going with this one. And obviously you can preview it from over here and you can customize it, but right now I'm just going to click on apply. And once you click on apply, you can see that it has been applied successfully. And if I go back and refresh this page, you will see that my themes has been updated. But obviously I have nothing over here, but we are going to add that over here. What we can do, just go back, click on top left corner new post. Here at the top we are going to add the title and the blog over here. But before that, you can see we have all the necessary tools which you can choose for your own blog. So here you can see that I have pasted title over here and the blog over here. And if I want to change that font of this, we can easily change that from over here. And I'm going with the this one and bigger fonts, as you can see over here. And if you want to add a picture over here, you can also do that. So let's say if I want to add picture over here, just click on this option and you can upload it from over here, and even other URLs of photos or blogger if you have that in your blogger website. So you can see we have multiple options, and obviously you can add videos also. There's a lot of stuff which you can choose from over here other than the necessary tools. On the right side, you can easily click on preview post if you want to preview it, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is the post how it looking like right now. And if you click on this tablet and mobile phone, you can see how it looks like on different platforms, on full screen and also rotating screen. So there's a lot of options they are going to show you to preview your blog. So now we are just going to publish this. On the top right corner, you can see over here, just click on publish and click on confirm. And once it's done, as you can see, this is how it looks like. So if I go back to this page and refresh this, you can see that we got that over here. Just click on read more, and this is the blog which we have recently uploaded. So what say that you want to change something over here, or the layout you don't like it, right? So go back and click on layout and you will see all the details related to it, where the header is. And you can see at the top that we have that header over here. You can easily change that from over here. On the right side, just click on this pencil icon. After that, we have page list, page body, and sidebar, which is about me over here, as you can see. So you can change every single thing over here. And if you want to change the theme, you can also go back to theme menu and click on customize. Here you can change the main color of your theme. So let's say if I want to go for light yellow, I can go with that. And we have the background image. We can upload our own image, and also we can choose it from different images they have given to us. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to create a blog as a beginner, and this is the step-by-step tutorial for as a beginner. I think you learned a lot. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.